choosing the right paddle can genuinely transform how you play on court. This guide breaks down the best paddle racket brands so you can pick gear that matches your skill and style without wasting money on the wrong fit. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Padel AT10 Padel Racket. If you've already got a few seasons under your belt and you're chasing that next competitive edge, the AT10 Genius deserves a serious look. Built around 18K carbon alum construction, paired with MLD black EVA core, it lands in that medium-hard territory that experienced players tend to prefer. And the balance between power and control sits right at the top end for both categories. What really sets it apart is the dual-texture surface, a 3D hexagonal pattern at the sweet spot, combined with sand texture elsewhere, which genuinely helps generate more bite on the ball for players who like to work spin into their shots. The EOS flap technology adds a layer of aerodynamic refinement too, letting swings move through the air with less resistance for quicker, sharper contact. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The NOX custom grip and pulse system combine to cut down on vibration and boost grip strength by over half, which matters a lot if you sweat a lot during matches or deal with elbow strain. The Smart Strap system rounds things out nicely, giving you a replaceable safety cord that's easy to swap for hygiene reasons or personal preference. The main trade-off is that this racket's power ceiling and stiffer feel make it less forgiving for anyone still building fundamentals. Beginners might find it demanding on the arm during long sessions, but for aggressive, advanced players wanting a paddle built for hard-hitting, spin-heavy play, it's a genuinely strong pick with thoughtful engineering throughout.
Number 2. Coello Padel Racket. Tournament players looking for a weapon built around speed and aggression will want to pay attention to the Coello. Co-developed with pro player Arturo Coello, it's essentially a lighter take on the flagship Coello Pro 2026, which means you get much of that explosive power profile, but with noticeably quicker handling through your swings. The carbon hybrid hitting surface works alongside an upgraded reactive power foam and auxetic 2.0 tech to push energy transfer and shot confidence higher, while the stiff carbon frame keeps everything feeling solid on contact. Extreme spin technology improves how well the surface bites the ball, and the power stabilizer adds the kind of stability you want when you're throwing down smashes, viboras, or aggressive net volleys. On paper, the specs back this up nicely. A 475 square centimeter diamond-shaped head, 38mm beam, and 360-gram weight strike a balance that favors fast net exchanges without feeling flimsy. The 268mm balance point and optimized sweet spot drilling further support that quick swing character. Grip comes courtesy of Hydrosorb Pro Black Tape with red accent dots, offering secure comfort through long rallies. The catch is that this racket's speed-focused diamond-shaped design isn't especially forgiving off-center, so newer players may struggle with consistency early on. For advanced competitors who already have solid technique and want explosive net presence, though, this is a paddle that rewards precision and aggression in equal measure.
Number 3. Padel Ava Padel Racket. What makes this luxury series racket from Agustin Tapia interesting is how well it bridges different skill levels. Built with 18K aluminized carbon and an MLD black EVA core, it manages to feel balanced and quick without demanding pro-level technique, so both newer players and seasoned competitors can get real value from it. The EOS flap technology brings profiled edges into play for smoother aerodynamics, while an extended grip zone makes handling more intuitive, especially if you're still refining your swing mechanics. NOX custom grip technology pulls double duty here too, improving hand contact while damping down vibration so long matches don't leave your arm feeling wrecked. Durability is another strong point. The carbon frame is built to resist temperature shifts, so performance stays consistent whether you're playing in cool mornings or peak afternoon heat. That multi-layer EVA core also adds a cushioned feel without softening the power behind your shots, which is a nice balance to strike.
The smart strap system returns here as well, now redesigned for extra strength, letting you swap or adjust the safety cord easily for hygiene or fit. If there's a limitation, it's that an all-arounder profile like this won't necessarily outpower a racket purpose-built for aggressive smashing.
Number 4. YVmove Carbon Padel Racket. For players who care about the engineering behind their paddle, the YVmove brings some genuinely interesting tech to the table. The 12K spread-toe carbon face uses a uniform, lightweight weave that noticeably improves vibration dampening and ball control precision, while underneath it, a 7-layer composite structure. 5 inner T700 carbon layers plus an ultra-thin fiberglass base and the 12K carbon face is engineered specifically for strikes that stay powerful without sacrificing stability. One standout feature is the glueless thermoforming process, a patent-pending method that fuses face and core in a single heat cycle, removing delamination risk entirely and keeping ball response consistent even after 250,000 plus hits. That's a meaningful durability claim for anyone who plays often and doesn't want their paddle degrading over a season. The triangular handle joint is another smart addition, using a patented 3D reinforcement design that redistributes impact force and, according to third-party testing, delivers 300% better handle fatigue resistance than the USAPA minimum. Spin performance benefits from a laser-engraved Teflon texture rated at 380 grit, boosting spin generation by up to 40% in testing, numbers that reportedly rival paddles priced twice as high. A 16mm STR core polymer core rounds things out, balancing power with control while keeping the paddle maneuverable. Number 5. NOX HR3 Padel Racket. Intermediate players who struggled with stiff, unforgiving paddles will likely find real relief here. The HR3 soft EVA core is intentionally low density, which translates to a noticeably more comfortable strike and better ball rebound, making it easier to stay in control of rallies without your arm paying the price. NOX has built in their AVS anti-vibration system specifically to absorb off-center impacts, which goes a long way toward preventing the kind of joint strain that turns people off paddle entirely. That's a meaningful feature for anyone managing existing elbow or wrist sensitivity. On the performance side, the exclusive spin technology combines a 3D hexagonal finish with sand texture to boost grip on the ball, helping you generate more spin even if your technique is still developing. Durability comes from the Equation Soft build, which pairs a carbon frame with 3K fiberglass faces to keep the paddle feeling consistent match after match rather than losing its response over time. The Smart Strap system is included here too, letting you replace or personalize the safety cord as needed for hygiene and comfort. Where this racket falls a bit short is outright power. The soft core prioritizes comfort and control over raw smash strength, so aggressive players chasing maximum pace might find it a touch underwhelming.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.